I'm working on tying the new lower extended rocker panel into the upper existing rocker panel. I got a little bit of a gap back here. This is a very long piece and it was hard to make. It is 18 gauge, so it's going to be structural. I already have a new pocket in the back welded in. The front is welded to the existing rocker panel. So down here, I'm going to have to unfold this little lip here. That way I can weld all the layers together, and it's going to take a little bit of massaging with the hammer. So how does it look from the outside? It's okay. It's not great, but it is structural. And it's going to get some body filler anyway. It's going to get some panel gap filling here. So I'm not a great fabricator, but I have an idea of what I want it to end up as. It should work. And this car is practice anyway. I've said this several different times before, but after I finish this car, I'm going to build a time attack car. A real competitive, 1500, 1800, 2000 horsepower time attack. I'm not going to tell anyone what it is yet. But I have to get good at fab work. Of course, on this car, I'm going to have some fiberglass stuff to do too. And on another one of my cars, I have some fiberglass. So I'll get good enough at that I can build some composite panels, like front and rear bumper and some other little small things. But this is wide and strong, and that's good enough.